Hello everyone. Today I had a number of packages delivered and I ordered parts such as sensors for JOHNN-E-B. So I decided just to make one video and put any title according to the collection of items for the video. My wife actually thought that this package was hers. She started to rip it open, then realized it's mine. Usually when I do an unboxing or unpacking or opening of a product, it's usually already sealed. But she tore it open, then realized this was mine. So I will be showing you a package that's already been opened. I actually started using this phone. It says preview not available. I wanted the preview to see that I'm recording everything properly, but it says preview not available because in the last video I actually was recording way above the items that I was describing as I opened the packages. So let me go back, see. No, doesn't show any preview. I don't know what these buttons are here, but I have an idea. As long as I look directly down, my camera mounted on the headband should give us a good idea about the viewing of this tabletop. Okay, so since this package was already opened, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the items out so we can see what's inside and we can see the components that I may be adding on. I'm not exactly sure if it will be added on, but it's something I want to experiment with and try and see if I can incorporate them with JOHNN-E-B. So this one, it's transparent. It's a transparent Ziploc bag. I bought in bulk for a bargain price, and I purchased some ultrasonic sensors, and with this package I received some mounts. These are 4 mounts for the ultrasonic sensors. I have some jumper wires, female to female and male to female, male and female ends, and some mounting screws. And then here are the ultrasonic sensors in a separate Ziploc bag. And this one has 10 ultrasonic sensors. One pin is bent. Hopefully it doesn't break off. I will have to bend it back gently. There, that should be good enough. These are the 4-pin ultrasonic sensors, but in reality the 3-pin works just as well. It's just that the transmit and receive pins are connected together, and you can connect the two and use one port of your microcontroller for that, depending on the program you use. So there are about 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think I need to take them all out so I can really count properly, because there are 5, And this should have 5 more. So I should, now I know that I have maybe more than enough, if not the right amount, for putting ultrasonic sensors as object detectors or sensors for JOHNN-E-B. So they are 10. 6 and 4, 10. I decided that I will use infrared detectors more strategically, since infrared gets interference from bright light when I use it. And ultrasonic, the only drawback for ultrasonic is when comparing that with infrared transmitter and receiver setups, is that the ultrasonic, depending on the surface that the ultrasonic wave is reflecting off of, if it's soft, then you lose some credibility in the signal, in the reading. But I prefer to use the ultrasonics because it's not interfered by light. And really, if the ultrasonic sensor does not detect an object, it's because the object is soft. So the risk is not as high in getting damaged in that situation. The object may be a mattress or a sponge or paper towels, such soft surfaces. And then I'll try to put some fail safes in there too, to make sure that there's no damage if the ultrasonic sensors should have a mishap. Okay, so now that is one of the item. Now let's check this box. This is, I'm not exactly sure, but let's open it up and see. Oh, these are liquid crystal displays. Now, in my search to find a liquid crystal display, I saw that there are even some touch screens that you can touch the screens of your displays, and that would have been very advanced. But I decided just to go simple, just in case I want to put a message out to the world for JOHNN-E-B to communicate with the world, or to give the user of JOHNN-E-B some understanding of the process that I would probably want the user to be aware of. So this is I bought 2. Again, I tried to buy in packages for a bargain, and here are 2 female to female jumper wires with this set. All right, so that's another item I may be incorporating. I say may because I'm not exactly sure, but I'm very much going to try to use all of these components. And so that's for one delivery. Then here's another one. I'm going to open it up. I'm not even going to try to guess what it is. All right, so that's this. It's in a static proof package. Oh, I know this now when I see it. It's a humidity and temperature sensor. And why would I need that? Well, the ultrasonic sensors use sound bouncing off of objects. So sound is going to travel through the air. And depending on the humidity and the temperature of the air, the sound travels at a different speed or rate. So we can compensate our readings by using temperature and humidity sensors, and we can use that to in our program to compensate for the varying temperatures and humidity to get the most accurate reading of the distance when using the ultrasonic sensors. Okay, so that's another one. Now let's see what this one is. So now I do say that on the description for JOHNN-E-B that it's building a robot at low cost. So now I think in total this may be about $60 worth of in total of items, but you can narrow this down to a specific amount, like maybe just one ultrasonic sensor or two. So it's still within cost depending on your budget. So now this one is, oh, I know, I needed a more precise soldering iron. So when I solder the circuits, I'm not just going to use breadboards when I actually mount the circuits onto JOHNN-E-B. I want to solder the circuits. So I have a whole lot of soldering irons, and but they're used, and the tips are not the best. So I decided instead of just buying tips, why not just go ahead, because I believe this was about $10, maybe $20 or $30. Yeah, this one was one of the very good ones. I like to buy good quality items, so I could have gotten one for $10, but I said so this is a digital one. This one you can set to the temperature you want, and it comes with an assortment